If you find yourself at a McDonald's and want a healthier meal choice, one of the better options you could try is a Deluxe McCrispy chicken sandwich without the mayo, a side of apple slices, and a cup of water. Be sure to order these items individually rather than as a combo, because you'd be losing money swapping fries for apple slices and soda for water. And just a disclaimer, it's always more beneficial to cook meals at home if you're trying to eat healthier, lose weight, or build muscle. But in case that just isn't an option, that's what this video series is for. Also, eating healthier is on a spectrum. So this meal suggestion is on the healthier side when comparing it to a meal like a double quarter pounder with cheese, large fries, and a McFlurry. Anyways, the Deluxe McCrispy consists of a breaded chicken fillet with shredded lettuce, tomatoes, and a potato bun. It would be nice if there were a grilled chicken patty you could substitute, but as of this video in 2023, that unfortunately isn't an option. This sandwich, without mayo, brings it to 430 calories, 15 grams of fat, 48 grams of carbs, 27 grams of protein, and 980 milligrams of sodium. Adding in a side of apple slices brings in 15 calories, 0 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, 0 grams of protein, and 0 milligrams of sodium. You can also get a free water cup for a calorie-free beverage. The total nutrition content for this meal comes to 445 calories, 15 grams of fat, 52 grams of carbs, 27 grams of protein, and 980 milligrams of sodium. And if you're curious why I chose the Deluxe McCrispy over the classic McChicken, the reason is because you get more protein out of the McCrispy. Also, you get slices of tomato, which makes it a tiny bit more nutritious. And while there are more grams of fat, I think you feel more satisfied and would be able to treat this as more of an actual meal rather than a low-calorie snack. The patty is much larger and should definitely be more filling. If you frequent more fast food restaurants but want to make some healthier choices, check out the playlist here for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.